How to enable notifications for Airbnb app. First, open settings on your Android device. Then you'll see a search bar at the top of your screen. Tap on it, then type in apps. Tap on the first option, then tap on manage apps, which is right below system app settings. Here you'll again see a search bar at the top. Tap on it, then search Airbnb. Then scroll down until you see an option called notifications. Then from here you can enable or disable the Airbnb notifications. And it is that easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.